Okay, call no man a father. So bakit yung tawag natin sa mga pari natin ay father? Well, basahin muna natin yung verse kung saan yung utos ni Kristo na call no man a father. So ito, let's check it out. So mababasa natin yan dito sa Matthew chapter 23 verse 9. So ito yung mababasa natin. And don't address anyone here on earth as a father, for only God in heaven is your spiritual father. So, don't consider anyone, wag mong tawagin yung kahit na sinong ah, tao dito sa mundo na father refers to spiritual father because we only have one spiritual father, and that is God in heaven. So, bakit father ang tawag natin sa pare? So, basahin natin sa Biblia. Dito yan mababasa sa 1 Corinthians 4:15 kung bakit father ang tawag natin sa mga kaparian. So basahin natin ang 1 Corinthians 4 verse 15. For even if you have 10,000 others to teach you about Christ, you have only one spiritual father, at yun ang Diyos. For I became your father in Christ Jesus when I preach the good news to you. So yung mga kaparian pala natin ay father through the gospel or father in Christ Jesus. So yun ang reason kung bakit pare din ang tawag natin sa mga kaparian natin, though we only have one spiritual father, but they are a father in Christ Jesus when I preach the good news to you. So yun lang, and God bless sa ating lahat.